Hey guys, welcome back again to another coconut water series. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. Today we're making this delicious melon juice with coconut water and lemon. If you're interested, stay tuned. First off, you're gonna go ahead and peel fruits. Peel the melon and take out the seeds. It's easier with a spoon. After taking out the seeds, I go ahead and cut them into cubes. At this point, I cut and peel the lemon as well. I now transfer the fruits into a blender, add coconut water, and blend. After blending, I strain the mixture, and the result is this rich, beautiful, healthy drink. Full of vitamins and minerals. Cheers to good health. Thank you for watching till the end. Subscribe, like, and share. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.